Your next big deal or opportunity could be hiding in personal data that you actually own as part of your LinkedIn account. Hi, I'm Deborah Ashley, the LinkedIn Black Belt, and I help my clients to leverage LinkedIn to increase revenue growth. So let's start by downloading that data. You're going to go over to the Me column by your face on LinkedIn. You'll go to Settings. Once you get to the settings, you're going over to data privacy and how LinkedIn uses your data. So all you want to do is get a copy of your data. You can get everything that is on LinkedIn about you and your activities. I wouldn't suggest that. So now we're going to go over to we want something in particular. So you can get articles, you can get imported contacts, you can get invitations, recommendations, connections, messages, profile information, or your registration information. Today, we are after the connection. So, what you will do, you'll check the connection mark, then you'll request your archives. It takes about 8 to 10 minutes. It goes through all of your data and it takes about 8 to 10 minutes. What will happen after that? You'll either receive an email that your archives, your data is ready, or you will come back here and you'll actually see a link that you can download. Now, this will become a zip file. And what you want to do, this is what we do with our clients within the first 2 weeks of them onboarding. What you want to do is go through that data and start to pay attention, analyze it for the connections that you need to reach out to. Maybe these are possibly lost leads, right? And find out those warm connections and start to re-engage them by standing out as an industry resource. So I'm Deborah Ashley again. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions whatsoever, just go ahead and leave them in the comments. Connect with me on LinkedIn, and I'm happy to help you. Thanks again.